Hey y'all, so I'm back with another video. This is a video on how I got this cute little look with this outfit I wore like last July. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, tell a friend, and follow me on Instagram, its.brigee. Let's get into it, y'all. So if you watched my previous video where I did the two ponytails and then put them into one for the baby shower, this is the same, but I'm just gonna change it a bit by keeping the bang and making two pigtails. So I was trying to do the same effect on the side with the two rubber bands for the to try to help pull it up and make it, I wanted it to look fuller, so I thought that I could put rubber bands around and then pull it up, but I didn't get the effect that I wanted. So then, yeah, like it, I think I kind of tell right then that it wasn't gonna look right because I needed the rubber band to be out, and that didn't look good or secure or anything like that. When it gets longer, my hair will be able to, you know, look fuller when I do a ponytail. But that wasn't it, y'all. So I took that down and I decided to do two. And y'all, my voice is gone. I'm getting over a cold. So that's why I sound like a man right now. So now I'm gonna do it down the middle and just make two ponytails at the top of my hair. Again, I don't have like a middle part per se, but I just kind of feel around and just make sure both sides are, you know, even and like the same density, I guess. So like I said, I'm keeping the barrel rolls up the back of my hair from the previous video and just splitting the one ponytail into two. Kind of takes a lot of energy to talk, so I'm not gonna be talking that much on this one. And let me just go ahead and say this video, I don't know, I think it's because I changed locations of where I was recording. I was not in the camera in a lot of these things, so I do apologize. I want to apologize before y'all see it. But yeah, I was not I was not in the camera like I should have been for this video. You'll see what I'm talking about. So now I got my two ponytails, and I'm just gonna, you know, kind of mold them and make them look the way I want them to look, and make sure I got all the locks that I want in the ponytails, and the ones that I want like in my bang to be in my bang. Hey, that's the back. I be jamming, y'all. Jamming. Gotta drink my tea, y'all. I love some hot tea. I need some of that right now, actually. And of course, I go on with my Cream of Nature Edge Control. And even though I have bangs, I just want to make sure, you know, the wind might blow, might see up under them. I want to make sure my edges is laid, baby. And you can honestly barely see them because my hair was blonde. So once I get my edges looking the way that I want, I'm gonna go ahead and take my scarf and just, you know, hold my edges in place for a while. Actually, no, I did my last video in the living room. I don't know why I wasn't in the camera, y'all. Like, I was so mad when I was editing this video, but I wanted to get it out there for you because I got a lot of comments on my outfit and just my entire look that day. So I was like, let me just go ahead and post it, get it out there. And it's a shorter video too, but anyway. So now that my edges are wrapped, I'm going to start with my primer, of course. Rub that in really well. Get that into the skin. And now for my eyebrows, go ahead and brush it with my spoolie. Just make sure you pin it out the way. So here I am doing my eyebrows. I kind of zoomed in to make it look a little better because I was barely in the camera. But like in my other videos, you know, I kind of start a little ways behind the beginning of my eyebrow and start filling them in back there. I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer, of course. Still don't know if I'm going back to my Anastasia. We'll see. And then I brushed the beginning part of my eyebrows. And just to kind of blend it in and make them look a little natural. And I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer again to go up under my eyebrow and start carving it out. Once I got both of them carved out, I'm going to go around the top with my Too Faced concealer and carve out the top with the color that's more, you know, that's closer to my skin tone as opposed to the lighter color underneath my eyebrows. See, y'all, I'm barely in the camera. I'm so sorry. Now I'm just going to blend this out a little bit underneath. And at the top. Like that. Now I'm going on my Morphe eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to put like a neutral color on the base of my eyes. Right there. It's like an orangish, like brick color. Be that on the base. Then I'm just going to blend that out a little more on both eyes. And I'm just going to continue to like blend out. I feel bad. My voice don't sound good. My face ain't in the camera. Like, this is all the way bad. Now I'm going to go with my MAC eyeshadows. I'm just going to use like a lighter shimmery color for my brow line and just blend that out with my color, like my brick eyeshadow color that's already on my eyes. Like that. I'm going back with my Too Faced concealer and just go on those darker spots and conceal. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Now after that's in pretty good, I'm going to go with my foundation, my Maybelline foundation, and start blending that in. Take off my scarf just so I can make sure I blend it into my hairline. so it can blend flawlessly and not like a mask is on my face. Watching these videos back, I'm seeing a lot of the errors that I made. You know, it's kind of helping me presently on make sure I blend. Because I definitely probably could have blended my concealer under my eyes a little better. But I'm just going to blend. Get around those eyebrows. I did the top good, but the bottom I definitely could have blended a little more. But here we are. Get on that neck, y'all. Get that neck. And go back in with that little brush. I love this brush. It's perfect for like going around my eyebrows. Now I'm going to go ahead and start highlighting. Again, my LA Girl Pro Concealer. It's the same color that I used underneath my eyebrows. I'm going to put it under my eyes, bridge of my nose, forehead, cupid's bow, and my chin. And then I'm going to blend. Of course, blend. Still blending. Still blending. And still blending. I had to cut out so much, y'all, because I was not in the camera. Like, I was literally just, you could literally just see my hair. So disappointing. Now I'm going on my LA Girl Pro Concealer to go ahead and start contouring. Do it right on my cheeks, the side of my nose, my forehead, and blend, baby. Ooh, I love contour. It just, like it just sucks my cheeks in. Now I'm gonna go on my black opal and just use a powder to go back over all the places that I contoured, just to set it in place. And when you do your nose, make sure you blend it into like your brow bone. Now I'm going with my Laura Mercier, and I'm gonna set all the places where I did my highlight. So under my eyes, bridge my nose, cupid's bow, chin, and my forehead. Cute girl. Okay, so this was the main reason I did the video, and I didn't even I wasn't even in the camera like I should have been. But I'm gonna go with my eyeliner and go ahead and put it on the waterline of my eyes. But the main reason I did this video, y'all, it was a trend going around where you did your eyeshadow at the bottom and like it went out into a wing as opposed to like doing a wing liner at the top. So I'm gonna go in with this darker green that matches my outfit that I'm gonna wear. And I just used the brush that I just showed y'all, and I just went underneath my eye and I extended it out like I would extend a wing liner, but instead it's coming from the bottom instead of the top. Look, y'all, look, I'm not even in the camera. I'm sorry, y'all, but I hope my description helps. Like, you're just extending the eyeshadow up like you would a wing, but you're doing it from the bottom. And you're doing it with an eyeshadow as opposed to a liner. I really like the way it looked. I don't know how it would look with like a lighter shadow, but I'm obviously using a darker one, so it pops more. And then I just make sure I extend a little bit from the bottom of my lash line, just so you can make sure you see the color. I'm sorry, y'all, this is poo, but you can see it there. I really like it. I'm probably doing more often. And now for a little pop, I'm gonna put, or a little more pop, I'm gonna put the gold, my Juvia's Place, the gold right in the corners of my eyes, like that. The outfit I'm wearing, like you saw in the beginning of the video, is like a goldish yellow, and then like a, I don't want to tell y'all what I call the green, but I'm just gonna say army green, or, so you see how it just extends up and out. Yeah, some more tea. I love my tea. If I came up with my tea line, y'all gonna buy some? It's a thought. So now I'm gonna dust away my lower mascara really well, really well. And then I'm going with my mascara. And now my blush. So I really didn't do a lot on my eyes. Like I said, it was just the bottom and like the corners of my eye. I used a natural color at the, like on the top of my eye. And I'm gonna go ahead and highlight. I do like the apples on my cheek. I think it's apples. I don't know, like my cheek, my cheekbone, bridge of my nose, and forehead, cupid's bow, and chin. Pretty much the areas where I highlight. There I'm doing on my cupid's bow. Make sure y'all subscribe to it. Any moment y'all can click the little subscribe button in the corner, the purple. Show some love, support your girl. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use my setting spray, Urban Decay, and yeah, like that's the finished look, y'all. So cute, so cute, so cute, so cute. I love this. I got so many compliments on my outfit, on how I look, y'all. Like my shoes match, everything match head to toe, baby. I want to go for the fun look with the 2 pigtails instead of just the one, and it just worked. So make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, share. Talk to me, y'all. I want to get to know y'all. Here's an up-close look at it, y'all. You can see, like, the wing at the bottom. But thank you so much for all your support thus far, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace. Bye.